Hello everyone, my name is Veer and in this video we are going to see how we can run the test where the source code is located on a GitHub repository. So quickly I will show you the GitHub repository and then we will create a Jenkins build job to run that particular test. So what I have done, I have logged into my GitHub account and this is my repository where the source code is present, and what we are going to do is we are going to pull this source code in our Jenkins build, and from there we are running the tests. Okay, so I will move to the Jenkins then. So first step, what you need to do is you have to create a new item. Click on new item, give a name. Say I will give you a test git. Then I'll just give a name. You can give any name. Click on freestyle project and click on OK. So it will create your build job. Now under the source code management section, select git. Okay, so here what you need to specify the repository URL and the credential for the git account that you are using. So for me the git URL will be, will just click on this, click or clone or download and click this particular URL. Just copy this, paste it over here, and for credentials add your credentials. So I'll add my credentials over here, and I'll click on add. So you can see that credentials were added over here. Now we need to add the build step. So for that I'll click on execute Windows batch command, and I will write the maven steps that we had added ambient clean test. And after that what we wanted to do also, we wanted to publish the report. So we'll do that also. Click on the publish HTML reports. Okay. Here what you have to specify is the index page, that is nothing but our extent.html. Report title whatever you wanted to give, and here basically you have to specify the full path of your report file generated. So I had put that path also where actually the reports get generated. So I'll just copy this and we'll paste it over here, and I'll give you as a demo run, or say demo extent report. Okay, now save this build configurations. Now let's see whether we are able to get the source code from GitHub and we are successfully able to run the tests. So for that I'll just click on build now. Okay, so we'll check the logs also, whether it is executing the git uh, pull command. Basically it will do the, it will pull the source code from the GitHub and then it will start. So it has downloaded the source code from the GitHub. Now it started the maven goal where we are executing the test. Let's see whether we are able to execute the test or not. So it has started downloading the dependencies required for this project, and after that it will start executing the tests. I think it should now launch the browser. See, the browser has launched now. Now it will open the URL for the application that we are testing. Okay, so it, it will execute all the tests that are present. The test execution is completed now. Now it will publish the report also. Okay, now let's see whether we are able to see the report or not. See, now the report is also displayed. So that way we are able to run the code that is present on GitHub. We had pulled it and we had run the test successfully. Thanks for watching, guys.